Welcome everyone to Shriyanath Computer Science and Application classes. In this video, we are going to learn about Introduction to QBASIC. This is part 1 video. Why do we need to learn programming? A programming language helps us to understand and direct the hardware so as to perform certain specific tasks. What is a program? A program is a set of instructions which directs a computer to carry out a particular task. Suppose you want to switch off the light of your desktop lamp without touching the switch, only by using the voice commands. So you can write a program to automatically understand your voice and set up in such a way that the program understands and switch off the light without you have to manually turn it off. What is the full form of BASIC? BASIC stands for Beginner's All-Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code. When was BASIC developed? BASIC was developed in 1964 at Dartmouth College. What are the benefits of QBASIC? The benefits are as follows. It is a good language for beginners. It has English commands. QBASIC has an easy syntax and is easy to learn and implement. It provides a good logic base, skills and concepts to move over to higher programming languages like Visual Basic, C, C++, and Java. So what are the limitations of QBasic? Why we don't see as the daily use of a coding for making softwares? The limitations are as follows. QBasic is not a professional programming language because the language is not structured. It is rarely used in real life except in the field of education and training. Now we are going to learn that how to start the QBasic software. So first of all, we are going to go to the start menu and search for QBasic and click on that. The QBasic software will open in front of you. To escape out the dialog box, click on escape key on your keyboard. To make it go full screen, you need to use the key combination as Alt plus Enter to go full screen. Now we are going to write a small program to understand that how a QBasic programming language works. So as going through the tradition of learning a programming language, we are going to print hello world. So to print out a certain statement, a number or a value in front of you, we are going to use the command print. So we are going to write print, and we need to remember that this QBasic is a case insensitive programming language, which means that whether if you write print in small letters or in capital letters, it doesn't matter as long it understands well. But we will go according to the standards of writing a program in capital letters in QBasic. So we will write print within double quotes. We will write hello hello world, hello world, and then to run the program you need to go to run and then click on start. You are seeing that hello world is showing up just below the qb.exe command. To return to the blue screen, just press enter. Now suppose you want to do addition and subtraction in front of the screen. So how to do it? We're going to write print suppose 3 plus 5 minus 2, and we have written the arithmetic, and then we're going to run and click on start. So you are seeing that 6. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 minus 2 is 6. Now, there's a problem. The problem is that you are seeing that a lot of text is between in this screen, which makes it harder to understand. To make sure that the screen is clean before we print out the commands, and you are again seeing that hello world is printed out twice, but we have written hello world statement just once. So why it is happening? Because it is storing the previous screen. To clear out, we will use the CLS command. CLS stands for clear screen. So we'll write CLS at the beginning of any program we write in QBASIC. So rather than going to run and clicking on start, we can use the shortcut key to run the program, as if you type F5 on your keyboard, the program will just run as quickly as possible. If you press on enter, it will return to the home screen. Now we are going to use the rem statement. So the rem statement stands for remarks, to show the user and to make sure that the programmer understands the program after some point of time. If he or she opens again this program again. So to do this, we're going to type rem hello world program. And remember that rem doesn't show up in the print screen. It just does as it told. It shows a remark that what the purpose of writing this program is. So again, if you press F5, again it will show up the same thing which we have written. Now, let us write a new program to perform addition and subtraction using variables and constant. So, what is a variable? Variables are user allocated names given to memory locations that can hold certain values like text or numbers. So numbers are numeric variables, and the text storing things or the sentence storing variables are called string variables. So to create a new program, so before creating new program, we need to save this program for future use. So how to do this? Simply go to the file, click on save as, and give it a name. Suppose hello world. Now you need to understand that whenever you save a file in QBASIC, it gets saved in your hard drive with the .bas, or short form for basic extension, and again, then you press OK. The program is saved. Now we are going to start a new program. To start a new program, click on File and then New Program. Now we have started from a fresh screen. So let us go through certain things before writing a program. So in this program, we are going to write to display a name, that is a text, and a number. So to write a variable, if it stores numbers, we will just write like this. Let command allows you to write a variable name. So let a equals 5 and then press enter. You are seeing that the commands are getting automatically capitalized. This is a quite good feature of QBASIC. So A is a variable which is storing a value of 5. Now to display the value which is present inside A, we need to write print A. If it is 3-line program, then we need to run using the F5 key on your keyboard. So you are seeing that 5 is stored, and since we have rewritten that print A, so A holds the value of 5, so it shows the value inside the variable A. Now let us see that how to display a text in front of you. So let us do this. Let suppose name. So name is a variable, but if you write like this, name equals your name within double quotes, you will definitely show up an error. To fix that thing and to differentiate that it's a numeric variable or a string variable. So string variable always has a dollar sign at the end of the variable name. So name dollar equals within double quotes. My name is Shreyan Nag, so I will write Shreyan Nag within double quotes, and I will try to print my name. So I will write print name. Just look it here that while declaring the variable, you need to specify it as name dollar, but while printing, you don't need to show it. But sometimes the program might throw an error. So for that purpose, we are going to write it like this: print name dollar. Then we're going to click on F5. So my name is showed up. So remember that name dollar, just like the name dollar, which is storing the text, you should also write print name dollar to specifically understand that it holds the value of my name, which is a text value. So let us save this program again. Go to File, Save As, and type. So suppose we are going to show up. So I'll write variables, then press OK. So my program is saved. Now I will create again a new program window. In this program, we will try to accept values from the user. So to accept values, first of all we write CLS to clear out the screen, and then we will write like this. First of all we will write print within double quotes enter your name. So it is asked. So when you will run this program, the program will ask your name. So name is a text, so we need to accept this as text. So we need to write like this. Input means to insert the value in front of your screen, to input your name through the keyboard. So input name dollar, then press enter. Again we will write again print enter your age. Now the age is a numeric variable. Suppose your age is 10, so you will store the age in a variable. So it will be definitely a numeric variable. So we will write input age. So look it here that age does not have any dollar symbol followed by it because it is specifically a numeric variable. So now if I try to run this program by pressing the F5 key on my keyboard, it will show you that enter your name question mark. So my name is Shreyanag, and it is asking your age. So enter your age. Now you are thinking that you have entered the name, enter your age, but why isn't showing the value stored inside it? Because we haven't printed out it yet. To print it out, we'll write print your name is. Now to display variables along with text in front of print statement, we are going to use the comma, the symbol, semicolon or the comma symbol. So comma, then followed by the variable name dollar. So they will show your name is Shreyanag as expected. Will show. We definitely will see when we run the program. So print your age is. So age. So age is the variable. Now we'll run this program again. So print. So click on F5. Now it's asking my name again. So I'll write Shreyanag, my name, and my age is 23. So if I press enter, it is showing up your name is Shreyanag and your age is 23 as expected. So this is for this class. In the next class, we will learn more programs and operators and a lot more.